In this short tutorial, I will walk you through how to easily find and manage follow requests on the Threads app. You will learn how to navigate the app interface and access the dedicated section for follow requests, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to connect with new friends or followers. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Threads app and then tap on the little heart button at the bottom right. Tap Requests. And now you will be able to see all of the accounts that requested to follow your Threads account. You can either confirm their follow request or hide it if you don't want them to follow your account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.